baby.
Hi everyone, I'm Jackie and this is Dramatic Eats. And today on this episode, we are reviewing Joshua Tree Kombucha as part of a 2-part YouTube mini-series. So in today's part, we're going to brew the kombucha. So we're gonna go from start, where you get your SCOBY, you put it into the tea, and the tea has the sugar, and we're going to wait for it to brew and ferment, and then we are going to flavor it and show you what ingredients we're using so that you can do it at home and follow along with us. So we've already brewed a batch of it. We're gonna flavor it, and then we're gonna also show you how to brew the batch with the SCOBY. We are making 3 flavors of kombucha, and they're all so refreshing, so tasty, so good. We've got a grapefruit basil, we have a lemon ginger, and then we have a mango with mint. I don't know what I think will be the best, but I think they'll all be tasty. We have our SCOBY on the top, a little bit more on what that is in a few, and then we have kombucha on the bottom. Now you may be wondering, what exactly is kombucha? Kombucha is a fermented tea. So it uses the SCOBY, or that top layer of film on our kombucha, is a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. So it's an acronym for those words. SCOBY. So as I mentioned, the SCOBY has bacteria and yeast in it. And studies say that kombucha may actually be healthy because it may have probiotics. Alright everyone, that's it today on Dramatic Eats, for where we make Joshua Tree Kombucha Part 1. We have our brewed kombucha for our next batch right here, and we also have our 3 different flavored kombuchas that we're going to try in Part 2 of us making Joshua Tree Kombucha. If you like this video or you like our channel, please subscribe so you get the latest updates. Like, comment our videos, and stay tuned for our next video where we try our Joshua Tree Kombucha. Bye!